Hey guys, welcome to Preppy Bio Nerds YouTube channel. I think the reason you're here is so that you can learn some biology. I'm sure you love it, but there's a lot that you can learn from this channel. We really dive deep into the most, I would say, complicated stuff in biology to simplify it a little bit more. People sometimes really get afraid with AP biology because it has so much like statistics and math and so much critical thinking, and they think like that's hard and it's not always possible to learn. So I'll try to break it down to the level that you can understand, but feel free to comment. Feel free to message me, and if you're having difficulty in any topics in AP biology, you can let us know and we'll try to make more videos for you guys. Also, remember to click and subscribe so that you can be notified of all the videos we post weekly, and click on notifications button as well to be notified of when we post it as well so you don't miss anything. I do believe, because I've been a teacher for about 12 years now, teaching at the high school and college level, I do believe if you stay with us and continue on with this journey of learning biology, you can score high in AP biology exam. I really try to break down things that AP biology questions do, trends and tricks and how to answer, how to figure out how to score higher. And part of it is to study smart, not just study hard. So I'll try to kind of zoom into those areas in biology that you'll see more questions appear in the AP exam. And also being able to apply. It's one thing to know, but AP exams are not about just knowing, having the knowledge about it, but really, like I said, critical thinking is what we do over there. So it's being able to process the questions, it's being able to apply those concepts that really matter in this AP biology course. So I'll be here helping you guys learn different topics in AP biology. I am Professor B, and I would love to meet you all and get to know you all better. So remember to comment, remember to like and share our videos so that other people can also benefit using our channel as well. I hope you guys have a very great day, and I will see you guys in my videos. Bye!